Hey everybody, today we're so excited to celebrate the new year 2026.
We're excited for a new year full of creativity and drawing together.
I'm excited to try new art ideas and keep practicing every day.
I'm excited to draw more, have fun, and see everyone's awesome artwork.
I'm excited to keep learning and make my drawings even cooler.
I'm excited to draw and have fun with everyone.
We're so thankful to draw with you, and we can't wait for all of the new art adventures in 2026 Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Thank you. I can't do it.
Twist it. Just the black part. There you go. Keep going.
Yay!
Yeah, do it crazy.
Wait. Let me
Crazy, Austin. Yeah, everyone say Happy New Year together.
Don't say happy.
We could do that. Do I need to grab another popper?
No,
Are you gonna do
there's
the
go
horn?
grab another
Just go
one.
grab another one.
Okay.